Manufacturing injectable pharmaceuticals is a very capital-intensive business, and the investment we've made here in Albuquerque is a huge investment for us as a company, but this investment could not produce the medicines it needs to without highly trained, competent, and capable people.
Sterile University is supported throughout the company, from leadership all the way down to the technicians.
People just don't walk in and understand what happens when you're working in an aseptic fill finish type environment. We have to organically develop that talent locally and then work to retain that talent in this market. And so we've partnered with the university as well. We've implemented a Curia technical development program where we are developing future leaders of our companies. We're also working with the community college to help build curriculums and support some sterile manufacturing capability there.
When we talk about building that bench, what we're talking about is having employees stay here for their career. So if management is where you want to go, then I want to be able to support that. If it's to be a subject matter expert, then let's figure out what you're good at and let's get you trained in that environment. As you are growing in your field, I want you to be the best that you can be. And that's what Sterile University stands for.